Hello, my name is Sam Eldon. I'm still working on the video for my cybersecurity presentation. Again, this is my site, sameldon.com. You go in sameldon.com and you'll be able to access the script that I'm doing right now. I create the script, put it on the internet, and now I'm going through. Making a video is not fun, but you know, it's very, very powerful tool. So now, as you can see, we've gone through all this, and now we are in machine learning. Machine learning, which is number 8. I've gone through 7 videos so far. Now, machine learning, for me to explain machine learning, right now, the machine learning that exists right now and the machine learning that I'm creating is 2 different animals. So in order for us to understand where I'm coming from, I have to go back to the ABC of machine learning that I've explained in other videos. So I'm going to do it, would be a redundant, but the punchline is it may be worth it for us. So if I go to Sam Eldon, I go down here to some of my this, and then we go to machine learning. What is machine learning? According to the dilemma, I look it up in Google. So machine learning is this. What they do, they use algorithm. They figure out, they do a testing, understand, and try this. If not this, to me, it's a guessing game. To me, what exists right now, a guessing game. Is it green? Is it red? Is it yellow? Is it an apple? It's a guessing game. To me, no, you can't do that. To me, it's this: how can you teach the machine to find this Donald Duck, toy in these 2 bags of toy? How would you do that? How can you make the machine be able to figure it out? So now, if we understand that machines or computers made out of zeros and ones, so we take Donald Duck and we look at what is the zeros and ones of Donald Duck. What is the zeros and ones? The head, the beak, the eyes, and the bone. This is the zeros and ones. You take the zeros and ones, you'll be able to create what? You'll be able to create patterns. Now with the speed of the computer, and you have enough memory, and you have intelligent system that would be able to put together the zeros and ones to come up with different patterns. Now this different pattern, you don't stop. How many patterns can we create? 1,000, hundreds of thousands. With the speed of the computer, it can be done easily. Now we don't stop. We take every pattern and we scale it. Since we're going back to an environment where we're going back to search where we have no clue what it is, you understand? We need to be able to have all the option, all the variety that we have. I hope I'm not talking too fast. So now, with the pattern, we go back to these 2 bags and figure out, do a matching, whatever it is we have as a software to do matching. So now the machine knows what to look for. The machine is intelligent. So machine learning is intelligent. Now, how cybersecurity can use machine learning? Folks, it's, as I said, I have a lot of product that's got to do with cybersecurity. Number 11, number 12, and number 13, all are some of the product that I created, and the basis is infrastructure. The basis for them is the intelligent infrastructure, or DevOps, and intelligent machine learning running in the DevOps, running behind every system. To give a good example, a quick example of what is machine learning would do. People think computer is going to take over the world. That's not true. It's not going to happen. They still need human, and they might be a challenge, but they still need human. Are far more intelligent than machine. Anyway, this is my opinion. Take it or leave it. So I just give an example of a guy. Let's say you own a tomato store. You sell tomato. You have two customers walked in. and 2 salesmen need to handle each customer. Our machine learning goes and check out, the first customer. Of course, how we're gonna get the data, I ain't gonna get into that. We get the data about him, then we look the machine learning with the speed of the machine learning, go through his history and go through his habit and it comes back to the salesman and said, sir, be careful. This either a shoplifter or a window shopper. If a shoplifter, then we need to call security, keeps track on him. Or if he's a window shopper, he's just coming here to waste time, to kill time. So do it, as a sales or something, do your respect and handle him, but don't spend a lot of energy with him if he's not serious about it. As for the second customer, we already machine learning run and that, and it come back to what? To the salesman, second salesman, and say, sir, this guy is an excellent buyer. He every time buy here, 90% of the time he walks into this store, in our store, he buys 10 pounds of red tomato. So now we know that the machine learning is not making a decision. The machine learning is giving the salesman the option to make a decision. It said, this guy is a great customer, help him. Also, he likes red tomato, offer him green tomato or some other tomato. So the salesman have to make the decision. The machine learning help the salesman make the decision. So when it comes to cybersecurity, you understand we're creating a CRM system, customer relationships management for the holes that we have in the system. We have also for the the type of attacks, the hackers, the system itself. So all the machine learning will be collecting all this data, which we give it to it, and it goes process, and it comes up and help us with the machine learning. Same thing with the cybersecurity for the hackers themselves would be the same thing. Machine learning is the future, and it's going to run in the back. This is how I'm going to design any system. I'll design machine learning to run in the back of any system to help with the decision making. Now, if we go back to my machine learning here, as I said, I have all this case study for on my Sam Eldon for you guys to look at. You're welcome to go and look at, and I'll be happy to get the feedback if anybody's interested. But machine learning is the future. I'm not sure about AI. Machine learning is a subcategory of AI, but I think machine learning is one hell of a powerful tool that we can use, and definitely is going to be a plus in the future. I am done talking. Of course, I try to